Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're not gonna be playing, actually. I almost said that. We're gonna be coding a data store. First off, let me explain to you what a data store is. But first off, just hop into a classic base plate, or this game that you want to be in. Just a data store. Players. Data store is actually something that saves players' data in the leader stats. So, and yeah, what did I just say? And data store helps people to, do stuff better and get saved. So first things first, we're gonna make a script inside of server-script service, which is right here, and delete hello world. And the variable we're gonna be making is a data store. So obviously expected data store local data store equals game GetService DataStoreService, and then obviously we need to store the data. So what we're gonna do is we have to store the data somewhere. So we're gonna do another variable called a local data1. If data1. Alright, so here is gonna be our saved. Here's gonna make the saved data for our leader stats. So data1 equals game. Alright, so it will equal a game. No, not game. I'm so stupid. Data store, the one right up here that we did. And we're gonna put a GetAsync this time, or either a GetAsync or GetDataStore. But GetAsync is gonna be later, so we're gonna put in a GetDataStore. GetDataStore. And inside this data store, this is gonna be a my and data. After my, you're gonna have to put in the value that you want for your leader stats. Basically, your leader stats value, like XP, that will show up here. You have to put in my XP data or my strength data. I'm gonna just put strength data. So as you can see, my strength data. And then I'm gonna be creating two this time. So we're gonna do a local data2 is gonna be equal to datastores that again, datastore colon get datastore get datastore. And I'm gonna do the same thing but with rebirth this time. So my rebirths data. As you can see, here it is. So then we're gonna hop down 2 lines. For this, we're gonna create our leader stats. So the leader stats will be a basic thing, which is a game.Players. I showed you how to do it, so you should know how to do this one. Game.PlayerAdded colon connect function player. And then we're gonna do the leader stats now is gonna be a leader stats. So we're gonna type in a local leader stats equals Instance.new and stuff like that. So local leader stats equals to AI, which is an instance dot new a folder. I almost said an IntValue, but that's gonna be later. Folder player. And then hold up. Yeah. Anyways, and then the leader stats.Name equals to a leader stat. And guys, word for word, you obviously know, don't name it anything else than leader stats. And then we're gonna down 2 lines, and we're gonna type out stuff now. So a local, obviously it has to be this because we already put in the data. So I'm gonna just copy this and local strength is gonna be equaled to again a instance Instance.new. Now, since it's a strength, which is a number, so it's gonna be a number value or a int value. 2 different words for number values. Leader stats strength.Name equals strength local rebirths equal INR Instance.new new int value leader. God, why do I have capitals? Oh, it was type leader stat and and rebirths.Name equals to a rebirths. So an S. Alright, I have this glitch again, so let me just close out of this script and reopen it up. Bam, that's better. And then obviously a rebirths. And now 2 lines down, and it's time for the stuff to happen. So what we're gonna do is gonna be an equal to a data stuff. So we're gonna put in a strength dot value equals to data 1 because it's in data 1. And we're gonna do a GetAsync, not a GetService, a GetAsync. GetAsync and make sure it's named like this. And we're gonna do this player.UserId with a capital I forgot, and we're gonna do a data1 colon set async this time, set async set async, and that's gonna be the same thing, player.UserId and strength.Value. And now, just like this, rebirths.Value is gonna be an equal to same thing, but data2 GetAsync player.UserId data2 do colon set async to a player user player.UserId a player.UserId, and then a rebirths.Value, and then we're gonna go down again, and here we go. We're almost done, guys. Okay, we are almost done. Okay, game.Players.PlayerAdded. I'm gonna stand up now and do this. Player removing up C connect now we're gonna hook this up to a function as you can see, and we're gonna remove this, and this time it's actually a lot faster. I was doing this yesterday and it crashed, so I had to do this today, but it's okay. And I almost forgot, guys, I completely almost forgot. The player user IDs has to be a or 0 next to them. So a or 0, like that. So then the function is called in, and then when the script sees a function, all of the things under it will run. So we're gonna press enter, and then down there. Okay. So then, actually, yeah, we'll keep it. Like this. And then, as you can see, it will be a thing now. And then we're gonna we're gonna do a data1 done set can I just copy this thing? SetAsync player.UserId user ID and and then a strength.Value, and then I'm just gonna copy this. Yeah, actually no. I'm gonna do it. I'll have the script down in the description, guys. The script will be down in the description if you need it. And also make sure to check out my new intro if you haven't yet. You'll see an eye up there, and I will come on the corner of your screen and press it and to say my intro, and subscribe to me by pressing it as well. Holy, hold on. I'm gonna do something with that. Okay, we're done. Alright, so data2 set. I'm just gonna cut and control V and player.UserId my rebirths.Value and then, guys, we are done. Okay, we are done. And hold on, and hold on, let me name this so I don't get lost. DataStoreScript. And to test it out, we're gonna have to make another script, not inside of script service, outside of it. And we're gonna do this. No, because instead of script service, it will have. Okay, we're gonna do it inside of script service. And to test this out, we're gonna have to make a thing. So what we are gonna do is the hold on. Not server storage. DataStore. I'm gonna rename it the DataStore test script, and what we're gonna type here is a local add a strength. Hold on, let me just go into my data store. Strength. Copy. All right. Add strength. Add strength. And strength. We're gonna do this. Hook it up to the player. And we're gonna. But it should not. Yeah, but here should be an endo, so we're gonna have to do this. A function. Oh, I forgot. I didn't add the local function. Local function. Add strength. Alright, 1 second, guys. Alright. So, we're gonna go to this. And let's do this.
Make sure it's working. And you can see when the player joins the
and
connect.
Alright, so it is a local function. I forgot about that one. Add strength player. And now we're gonna create a while loop inside of this function. And in a while loop inside of this function, we're gonna do a while true do. While true do is a what is it called? Is this, so then we're gonna do a game. I'm pretty sure a game though, but it's not a game. Oh, it's player dot leader stats dot strength dot value is gonna be an equal to this. Is gonna be an equal to this. So strength.Value and strength.Value is gonna be equal again to the same for dot leaderstats dot strength dot value is gonna be a +1. And then we're gonna be going down here to line 7, and we're gonna do a game. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, a game. Yeah, a game. Game dot players dot player added connect function. But we're not gonna type a function like this. We're gonna make a function itself, which is gonna be called a onPlayer join. So as we can see, it is a
and this time
join.
The name of the function is add time.
But it won't work like that because it's not this one. So we're gonna do a add strength again. Add strength. And now to test this out, it won't let us test the DataStoreScript in here, so we're gonna have to publish it. Test and create. And now it's test. And now we're gonna go to game settings, security, allow HTTP requests, turn that on, and enable studio access to API services. And save. But hold on. The DataStoreScript won't work because we didn't add a time value in here, so we're gonna do a wait. We're gonna do a wait 10. And now let's test it out. So as you can see, it's in here. 10 seconds. Poof. And then we're gonna stop and we're gonna hit play again. And as you can see, it's still there. So how about I just go into the players real quick. to this leader stats strength to a high number, and now we'll stop. And now let's play again to see if it's there. So it won't work as you obviously know it, because it's gonna obviously not work like that. So, but yeah, that's how you make it work. So anyways you guys, if you did enjoy this video, if you did enjoy this tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications, and aka post notifications, and make sure to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications. And anyways guys, goodbye, peace.